Assalamualaikum viewers, this is Atif Rahman. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm here with my baby daughter Mukarmahur Ali, and today we're gonna learn how to make chicken sirka or chicken vinegar. So come on in. So for the ingredients, what we will need, I have 1 full chicken, hot sauce, vinegar, soya sauce, salt to taste, tomato paste, and cumin seed. So what we'll do first is that we will put 2 tablespoons of hot sauce into the chicken. One tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, and then finally 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. And now we will mix the chicken. You can use your both hands. You can do it with the spoon. I prefer to do it with my hands. Some people like to do it with their spoon. So we will use the hands. Mix it well. And once you're finished mixing it, just put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. So now 1 hour has passed. We have the chicken out of the refrigerator. So now the final steps, what we will need now is about ½ cup of oil, and tomato paste, and the cumin seed. So first we'll turn up the heat to about medium, and then first we'll add the ½ cup oil. Then about 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Just remember, you will not need any water for this. Whatever you see in the ingredients is all you need. And now I'm using tomato paste. This is about ½ cup of tomato paste. Now if you choose to put in actual tomatoes, you can do that as well. For that you will need about 3 tomatoes. So that's really just up to you. So I'm just gonna add the tomato paste now. And now just mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now the paste is ready. So now we're going to add the chicken into the frying pan. You can turn up the heat a little bit if you like. I prefer to do it in medium. Now that the chicken is inside the frying pan, we will just cover it up. And now just give it about 25 to 30 minutes. So now as you can see, 25-30 minutes are up and it looks great. It looks delicious. So let's try it out. And here we go. Here's our delicious sirka chicken or chicken vinegar ready to be eaten. So let's serve it and have some roti with it. So I have some roti ready, and inshallah in one of our future videos we'll show you how to make rotis as well, inshallah. So here is our final product, and we will try it out right now. I have brother Basit here. You probably know him from his show Path to Knowledge. So we are going to, he's here for dinner. So I cooked this dinner for him and his family. So inshallah we're just gonna try this out and let's see. So brother, please say Bismillah. Bismillah. It's always best to have the guest eat it first. I really hope he enjoys it. It's a very easy recipe to cook. Everybody can cook it. It's easy. It cooks fast, and the best part is it's delicious. What do you think, Brother Basit?
Subhanallah. Delicious.
Okay, I'll try one bite myself as well. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Always remember the dua for eating. It's Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. So please keep watching. Inshallah, we'll see you in our next episode. Take care. Please like, subscribe to the channel. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Atif Rahman and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share it with everyone you know. Plus, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and press the bell icon button so you can get up-to-dates on all of our new videos every single day. I can't wait to see you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.